you've seen the bulk of the themes and the main strategies that are in this speech. The themes are that Democrats are committed to basic American values. He emphasizes that when he talks about the idea that parents need to read to their kids. He talks about what he called the slander that a kid with a book was acting white. He talks about not wanting to waste money on defense or welfare. He makes it very clear that he's committed to hard work, patriotism. He's just done that in the section when he talks about Kerry's patriotism and going after real enemies. So you see how he directly states that Democrats are committed to basic American values, and how in so doing he confronts both of the two attitudinal barriers that I talked about. He says, Democrats, we're patriotic, we're going to go after our enemies, and by the way, Osama bin Laden would find out as president that he meant what he said. And also that Democrats are committed to spending money wisely. But he also is making a point about our failure to live up to the American dream. He talks about Seamus, who we're not taking care of, and all the other veterans who are not taken care of. He talks about the people who have lost their jobs. He talks about the girl in East St. Louis who has the grades, has the will, but isn't able to go to school because she doesn't have the money.